for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie, we're here. Artie. Hello, Artie. Let's do a drawing.
Good day, Artie and friends.
Good day, Betty and Mikey. We're going to draw a frog today.
What a fantastic day to do some art. I wonder what Artie is going to create today.
Artie, are you ready to draw a funny frog?
Yeah, okay.
Let's draw a half a circle near the top of the page. Just on the left there, that's right. Half a circle. And then do another half circle right next to it. A little bit like the top of a heart shape. Perfect. Now let's do the bottom half of a large oval, connecting those two half circles together. That's the chin of the frog. Now let's do a whole circle on the left. That's going to be the left eye. And then on the right, we'll do a bigger circle, but we'll hide part of it behind the left eye. That's right. So we don't need the whole circle, because we're going to stop at the smaller circle. Perfect, Artie. Oh, and of course, some little black circles for the pupils. That's great. I love the way our frog looks already. Let's do two little nostrils and fill them in black as well. And a big smiley mouth. We'll give him some teeth, even though frogs don't really have teeth. It makes him look funny though. You want to stop and have a snack break? Okay, we can do that. Let's have a snack break.
I think he's gone. He'll be right back. I hope he comes with the snack.
We have a tomato there, Artie. Do you know what they're called where I'm from? Tomatoes. Did you know tomatoes are not vegetables, they're fruit? Believe it or not, tomatoes aren't always red. They can be yellow, pink, purple, black, even white. My favourite use of tomatoes is in the sauce for spaghetti and also tomato soup. Tomatoes are very good for you. They have lots of vitamin C inside them. My favourite is a cheese and tomato sandwich.
All right, he's back. He's ready. He just got done with his snack. Let's go.
That's right, Mikey. Let's go. Come on, back to our art. Let's do the frog's arm. We'll come all the way down with a curved shape, and then at the bottom, we'll do the frog's hand. He has really big fingertips. That helps him stick to trees. Do the other side of the arm. Start from the hand and go all the way back up to the head. Now let's do a really similar arm on the right-hand side. Try and match the left one as closely as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try and make the left and the right hands about the same size and the same shape. Arm to the top. Now let's do his back legs. Frogs have big back legs. That's how they can jump so high. Remember when we found one in the yard, Artie? He jumped right over one of your toys. A nice big back left leg. Connect the two front arms together with a little line. And then let's give him a chest. Let's do an oval shape for his chest. Now, sometimes frogs live in ponds and they sit on lily pads. So let's draw a nice big lily pad. That's a big curve shape with some little triangles cut out just to give it an interesting shape. Well, I think you've finished the drawing part, Artie. He looks really great. Well, frogs are lots of different colours, but we can make our frog a really nice green. He looks great. What a funny little frog. I like how you chose 3 different colours of green for the frog and a 4th shade of green for the lily pad.
Oh.
Fantastic job, Artie. Another successful drawing.
Well done, Artie. You've done your part. What a wonder it's a work of art.
It's time to say goodbye now, Artie.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.